Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, my name is Abdul and I am the student of BS Environmental Science, Peer Elisha Area University, Rawalpindi. The topic of my today's presentation is about mainframe computer. It is also called big iron and it is used primarily by large organizations, for example, for critical application specific purposes and bulk data processing and transferring of data from one computer or supercomputer to another. This is mainframe computer. Contents. First of all, we will classify the computer, explain computer classification. Then we will go through mainframe computer and its storage, uses, benefits, disbenefits, composition, etc. Let's start one by one. Computer and its classification. As you all know, computer is an electronic device which is used to store and measure all type of data and converting it into the computer and converting into binary language just as according to the give instructions to the computer by the user. Especially computers are used to perform different calculations at various speeds, such as there are many types of computers such as mainframe computers, desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, various types of computers. Computers are classified into four major types on the basis of three main factors. First of all, storage capacity, and then data processing, and then ability to store different outputs and input. The four types are microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Now we will go through about mainframe computer briefly. We all know that mainframe computer is a powerful computer and can perform multitasks at a time, and it is present in large workstations and having larger size. It has high storage capacity and can be used for centralized computing instead of digital computing. Next, they are also called enterprise servers because they are well-known usage of computer in the business. Today, mainframe is very popular and can perform millions of transactions and is used by government organizations. The mainframe can be used in many large organizations, databases, and serve as a transaction servers, etc. Who invented mainframe computer? The first mainframe computer was mainly built in 1950 by J. Prosper Eckert and John Mosley and manufactured by Remington Rand. Next, we will discuss history of the mainframe. First of all, mainframe computer was an electromechanical machine and was developed by Harvard University and was known as automatic sequence control calculator because its performance was so high. It can perform additions in nanoseconds. Next, we will discuss about the composition and main parts of the mainframe. As we all know, mainframe has many basic parts as all the computers in same parts, hardware and software, but the basic components every computer must have are input unit, memory and storage unit or output unit, central processing unit. And the central processing unit further includes arithmetic and CPU control unit. These are called functional units. Next, we will talk about the developments of the mainframe computer with passage of time. First mainframe computer was called as ENIAC, and then it was developments was made in this computer, and this was called magnetic storage, then COBOL, then mainframe vendors, then Linux for mainframe, etc. Now we will talk about modern mainframe. How modern mainframe works. Modern mainframe computers are not very large size, almost equal to the size of refrigerator, but the performance is equal, and we can say They are more efficient than the previous computers, and the weight also decreases, the cost also low. Now we will briefly describe the features of the mainframe. After processing massive amount of data, mainframes continue to perform the task accurately. Mainframes can prevent huge loss by detecting problems in early stages. This mainframes are also known for its long-term performances. They can perform millions of tasks at equal rate and capacity of processing and analyzing data. Mainframes have a high capacity of processing levels to handle huge amount of data and reliable speeds. Now we will talk about the mainframe, either a single or combination of computers. As we all know, mainframe system allows centralized computing of operations. Mainframe can run multiple operating systems at a time, and thus we cannot say it is a single computer. We can say it is combination of different more than one computers. Now functions of the mainframe computer. The mainframe usually serve as the purpose of transferring the desired data in real time. That's why multinational companies buy them in the first place. But these basic functions are performed by commands that computer receives either a program or human uses. These commands are called as raw data. Now the storage capability. Mainframe is the one of the such computers having high storage capability and efficient computers. Its processing power ranges from 80 over 550 MIPS. It has 100 to 1000 of times as much data storage as typically no one computer can have it. Now we will briefly describe the advantages of the mainframe computer. The three main advantages are reliability, availability, and serviceability. We will discuss all. The mainframe computers are more reliable because these computers are also used for aeroplane guidance. So they are 100% error-free. Scalability. They are scalable in the sense that more hardware processors can be added if needed. And then the advantage of mainframe is also due to the amount of power it consumes. It has the ability to process smaller and more complex tasks, and then balancing it and converting into transactions means, and then increasing the number. Now we will talk about the uses of the mainframe in daily life. A mainframe can be used in multiple ways, but it plays a central role in the daily operations of most of the world's largest corporations, and it can also be used in large organizations in the workstations, etc. It also uses business work due to its capacity, high level capacity and efficiency. Six simple uses are e-business and e-commerce, banking, healthcare, the military, academic and research. Now, mainframe occupies a coveted place in the today's e-business environment. Also, it is also very helpful in healthcare organization operations, the military operations, daily uses, and then it can be used for students, business, researchers, extra, and retail. Retail means sales of goods to the public in relatively small amounts. Now we will talk about the mainframe, why we use mainframe. This is all because of reliability, its efficiency, availability, low cost, small size. It has perfect security and scalability, continuing capability, maximum storage ability, extra. But with the passage of time, developments are made, so mainframes are more reliable. Need of mainframe today. The mainframe was used because it has ability to it has ability for transaction processing, but nowadays many advances are made. So its need has been reduced over the years. Instead, the typical desktop computer, it has more computing power than that of mainframe back in the 1980s. Is mainframe considered a supercomputer or not? A mainframe is widely used for day-to-day processing of data in large organizations. but it is not considered a supercomputer because it can perform multitasks. But supercomputer is specialized for some purposes which cannot be performed by mainframe computers. Another term is server. A server refers to a computer that is dedicated to providing a particular service, such as storing our databases or hosting a website. So if we think about the size of the computer, both server and mainframe computer can almost have equal size. So we can say it it is used in a very large server. Next, mainframe cost. As mainframe computers have large size, so they cover the whole room. But now the size has been reduced and its efficiency can be increased. So the minimum price of the mainframe computers starts from $75,000. Not enough. Pros and cons. Pros and cons means benefits and unbenefits. The pros of mainframe are that they are fast and can hold a lot of things, means can perform multiple tasks. And the cons of the mainframe are that they are big, heavy, means cover the size of the full room, and bit slow. When perform multitask, its working can be slow down. Summary of the mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are the types of computer having a larger size, amount of storage, and processing power is and high level of reliability. These are primarily used by large organizations for critical mission applications, and it requires high volume of data processing. So they use mainframe computer. It is also used primarily by large organizations for critical applications bulk data processing, means they can be also be used for business workings and large scale transaction processing. I think I have enough explained the mainframe computer. So God bless you. Thanks for watching.